Strengthening marine resources and livelihoods. India celebrates World Fisheries Day 2025. Join us as we highlight key efforts to protect marine ecosystems and support coastal communities. Discover important steps India is taking to ensure a sustainable future for its fisheries sector. India's fisheries at a glance. Second global ranking. Largest fish-producing country worldwide. 195 L total production. Lakh tons in 2024 to 25, double from 96 lakh tons in 2013 to 14. 30 M livelihoods sustained. Million people depend on the fisheries sector. 11% export growth. Marine exports rose from $0.81 billion to $0.90 billion October 2024 to 25. GST reforms boost competitiveness. From 12% to 5%. GST on fish oils, extracts, and prepared seafood products reduced, making value-added products more affordable domestically and strengthening India's export competitiveness globally. 12% previous GST rate. 5% new GST rate. World Fisheries Day 2025 theme. India's Blue Transformation, Strengthening Value Addition in Seafood Exports. Observed on 21st November, World Fisheries Day highlights sustainable practices and responsible fishing. India hosts participants from 27 nations, reflecting growing leadership in the blue economy. 01 National Framework Launch. Traceability in Fisheries and Aquaculture for Safe, Sustainable Supply Chains. 02 Key Guidelines released. SOPs for Mariculture, Smart Harbors, Reservoir Management, Coastal Aquaculture. 03 Global Collaboration. Enhanced Market Access and International Partnerships. PMMSY, Transforming Infrastructure. The Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, launched in September 2020 with 20,312 crore rupees investment, drives India's blue revolution through sustainable fisheries development. 730. Cold storages and ice plants established nationwide. 26,348. Fish transport facilities created for efficient distribution. 6,410. Fish kiosks supporting local markets. 100. Coastal villages transformed into climate-resilient CFVs. Empowering women in fisheries. 60% government assistance. Women beneficiaries receive higher support compared to 40% for other stakeholders under PMMSY. Capacity building programs and skill development. Support for women-led cooperatives and self-help groups. Concessional credit facilities including Kisan Credit Card access. Eased rules, unlocking deep-sea potential. Notified on 4th November 2025, the Sustainable Harnessing Rules promote responsible fishing, strengthen cooperatives, and unlock India's deep-sea fisheries potential. Priority access. Fishermen cooperative societies and FFPOs receive priority for deep-sea opportunities. Modern vessels. Support for modernized vessels and training programs. Digital platform. Realcraft portal streamlines access pass system for mechanized vessels. Realcraft platform. Web-based application enabling online vessel registration, fishing licenses, and comprehensive digital services including ownership transfer and vessel modifications. Marine Fisheries Census 2025. Launched 31st October 2025, this 45-day nationwide census represents a major advancement in digital, georeference data collection across India's fisheries sector. One comprehensive coverage. 1.2 million fisher households across 5,000 villages in 13 coastal states UTs. 2 Digital innovation. Vyasnav, Vyasbharat, Vyasutra apps enable real-time enumeration. 3. Socioeconomic profiles. Detailed data on income, insurance, credit access, and scheme participation. 4. NFDP integration. Digital registration for PMMKSSY benefits enhancing transparency. Financial support schemes. PMMKSSY. Approved February 2024 with 6,000 crore rupees investment for 2023 to 27. 40% insurance premium incentive, capped at 25,000 rupees per hectare. 11.84 crore rupees sanctioned as of April 2025. World Bank AFD collaboration for improved implementation. FIDF. Extended until March 2026 with 7,522.48 crore rupees corpus. Concessional financing through NABARD, NCDC, scheduled banks. 3% interest subvention, minimum 5% effective rate. 178 projects approved worth 6,369.79 crore rupees. Building a sustainable blue economy. India's fisheries sector advances through innovation, transparency, and community engagement, contributing to SDG 14, life below water whilst supporting millions of livelihoods. Ecosystem protection. Safeguarding aquatic resources through responsible management. Export excellence. 62,408 crore rupees seafood exports with enhanced global competitiveness. Community resilience. Climate-resilient villages and inclusive growth for coastal communities. Through sustained emphasis on innovation, transparency, and community engagement, India advances towards a robust and inclusive blue economy that ensures sustainable management of marine resources for future generations. Thank you for watching DKD Education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more educational content.